see you there. Welcome back, Gaboliam crew. I'm Olivia from Gaboliam 321. And today, we're going to be doing a DIY bath bombs by Simple Trendy Modern Touch, my favorite brand, but also known as STMT. I can't wait to do this video with you. Let's get started. Bam! Whoa, guys, look how much stuff is in here. That's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna take it out one by one and tell you guys what it is. Let's put this there. Oh, it's taped here. Okay, so I'll need this too. Okay guys, so I just took everything out of the box to make it a little bit easier. So,
for starters, we have the bath bomb mixture, and we have 5 of these packages. A vanilla essential oil, and a lavender essential oil, coconut oil, rose dried flowers, a ball former, 2 of them. We have 6 colors to add to our bath bombs, and we have glitter. And I also have a big package, as you can see, of baking soda. And of course, the DIY bath bomb STMT instructions.
I can't wait to do this with you guys, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so I just read step 1 in the instructions, and it tells me to add 1 bath bomb mixture, which makes only 1 bath bomb if you put just one of them in. And today I'm just going to be making 1 bath bomb. So let's pour this in. The next step I have to do is add baking soda. So I have to add 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of the baking soda. So let's do that. Okay, so I just added in 2 tablespoons, and now I have to add in 1 teaspoon. Okay, so I just added in that 1 teaspoon. I feel like a chef doing this. So, the next step tells me to add rose petals. So I'm just gonna add a few of these. Okay guys, so I finally got one of the roses out of this little jar. And I'm going to break it up and put it in here. So, like so, you're just gonna do that. And voila! That's what it looks like. Okay guys, so step 2. Step 2 is to add a color of your choice. Today I chose gold because I thought it was super pretty. And you do have an option to use glitter too, but I chose not to today. Just make it nice and plain. I'm supposed to add half a teaspoon of this, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have to be very careful that I don't spill this. Okay, so now I have the coloring in here. And I'm just gonna pour it in, just like so. And mix. Okay guys, so I decided to change the camera view so you guys can get a better view of what I'm trying to accomplish here. And this was also the color that I was using for my bath bomb, but as you can see, it didn't really show, so I'm just gonna add the whole entire packet instead. Okay, I'm pretty sure that was the whole packet. So, let's mix it up nicely here. Look at the little tiny rose petals, they're so pretty. Okay, so I think all of the gold is mixed in now, so I'm gonna move on to step 3, which is to add the coconut oil, which is this. I like this container, it's very nice. We're just gonna add a half teaspoon into the bath bomb and mix it up. I think that should be good. And I'm gonna use my other spoon, and I'm just gonna put it in like that. Oops. Awesome. And now I'm gonna mix it into the bath bomb. Okay guys, so the next step is to choose a scent of your choice. So today I chose the vanilla scent. So this is the vanilla essential oil, and I have to add 15 drops to it. So let's do that. Awesome. Okay, oh my gosh, I actually almost finished the whole entire bottle. That's crazy. Okay guys, so now we gotta mix it, like so, into the bath bomb for that really nice scent. Okay guys, so make sure you mix well with your hands so that it gets blended properly. And step 4 is to mix with one hand, like so. Sorry, don't mind my messy hands. And add in a 1/4 teaspoon of water very slowly while you're blending. Sounds very fizzy. Very, very fizzy. Okay guys, so the next part of step 4 is to keep mixing it. By this point, it should feel nice and damp. Okay guys, so you're gonna keep adding a drop of water until it finally decides to stick together when you squeeze it in your hands. As you can see, it looks a lot more better and it feels a lot more better than it did before. And it's starting to stick together a lot better than it was before too. So step 5 is to put your bath bomb mixture into the mold you got. So my mold is a sphere, and I'm going to be putting it in and packing it in very hard and secure. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna move to the other side. So the next part of step 5 is to press it together super tight and secure, and hopefully it will stick together really nice. The next step is to let it sit here for 1 minute and let it dry. Okay guys, so while we're waiting for a good minute, I'm gonna go wash my hands and clean up. See you in a minute. Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm here with the bath bomb, really hoping that it actually worked. So let's open it very slowly and see if it was something good or if it was a fail. Top turned out very well. I'm very grateful. That actually looks really good, guys. Look how pretty. Okay, guys, so we're gonna put it in the water and see if it works well. So as you can see, it's not sticking the best together in the middle, but I'm kind of proud of it. So let's see if it works in the water. Whoa! Look at it dissolve. Look at all the bubbles coming up. Guys, just imagine this in your bathtub, just chilling out, watching the sunset. This would be so pretty. Look at the beautiful rose petals. And you guys remember when I said that it doesn't really look like the gold was showing up? Now you can really see the gold showing up. And take it out here. Ooh, look at it dissolving. These bath bombs, guys, would make an amazing, outstanding gift for Valentine's Day, especially with the rose petals looking all pretty and ready for Valentine's Day. I would really recommend getting this kit because it was so much fun making it, and it's so cool. And it's literally just like a store-bought bath bomb, but even more funner because you get to make it yourself and you get to design it yourself. It's super pretty, super fun, and you can choose your own colors too. I hope you guys liked watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if I should make another one of these bath bombs in another video. See you guys later. Bye!
My spaghetti is gonna be so good. Oh, I'm sorry.
Baking soda's getting in my mouth.
Is it salty?
No, it tastes bad.